Okay, we're here at go-to-math.com. Let's click on the calculus button because that's what we're doing. And Extrema On an interval. So 4-2. Okay, so here's the problem. Find the absolute extrema on the closed interval. Of course, here's the graph that's associated with this function. And that looks like the min's occurring there and the max is occurring there. But let's go to the whiteboard and work that out. Right, we got it. So let's write down that function. That was f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x, and then I believe it was plus 14. I hate doing that. Alright, negative 3. So this is a fairly nice one here. Okay, and so we're on the interval of negative 3 and 7. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to plug in our left endpoint. Right, so plug that into the function, and I've already got that worked out, so I'm going to go ahead and put in 35. I'll let you plug in negative 3 in there. And then we're going to put in our right endpoint, and you're not going to believe this, but we also get 35 out. That's okay. And then we're going to take the derivative, so f prime of x is equal to, and that's going to be 2x minus 4. So then what we'll want to do is set that equal to 0 and solve for x, and it looks like x is equal to x is equal to 2 there. So if we plug 2 in, right, 2 times 2 is 4, and we get 0 out. So that's the solution. And then what we'll do, and I haven't mentioned this yet, but since 2 is in our interval, so 2 must be in the interval here, okay? Since 2 is in our interval, we'll go ahead and evaluate it at 2, and we get 10 out. 2 squared is 4, and that's going to be, right, anyway, we get 2 times 8, 4 minus, get it, 4, you get 10. Okay, so let's look at this quickly here. We have 10 and basically 35, since both of these are 35. So obviously the minimum is occurring here, and you could pick either one of these, it doesn't matter. Oh, wait a minute, we're not, yeah, we could pick either one of these. We could pick either one of these, and I think what happens is, in my programming there, I went ahead and just picked this one. We'd have another red dot right here, actually, right across from it, but I just chose one of them because all we're interested in is is really, well, actually this has two solutions, doesn't it? Okay. How did I think about that? Okay, so let me actually write this down, because I think if I hit the answer, so we get a maximum. I'm just going to go ahead and write the points here. Negative 3, 35. This is another way of writing this, and then 7, 35. Okay, I think in the programming I may just have chosen one of them. That's not correct. We have two maximums, and then we have a minimum, and that would be 210. Okay, so I might need to make a correction on the web page here on that. But we have two maximums, and then we have one minimum, absolute maxes, and one minimum. So I know this is correct, but I need to go ahead and add that other one in there. So that correction will be made by the time it rolls around, before I roll this out. Okay, so let's end that. Here we are. We're go-to-math.com, and I will see you later.